So when I step out with my hair, I just don't want to hear pen. I want to be in that feeling where I'm like, nobody can tell me nothing. Nada. I don't want to hear pen from your lips when our hair is looking juicy. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. JC from JustLostJC here. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe because we have fun on this channel, okay? So this is going to be how I am doing my hair and how I plan to do my hair for a good amount of time. If you guys are new here, I have had a setback. A whole bunch of my hair broke off because I used this product. It was a mess. If you want to see what it was, definitely go check out this video. It was mad, but I'm on the journey and we are all on this journey to grow our hair back and to grow it longer and stronger. So this is how I'm going to be doing my after wash day care routine from now until I don't really know, but it's gonna be like this for a while. So if you want to join me on this journey, definitely consider doing your hair like this. This is what I would call my maximum moisture twist length retention routine. Water, a leave-in conditioner. I am using my direct leave-in weightless moisture conditioner from Giovanni. You need a cream of some sort. I'm going to be using Shea Moisture Superfruit Multivitamin Frizz Taming Smoothie. For this maximum hydration method, I like to use shea butter or some sort of butter. Then an oil. I'm using olive oil. And then for my scalp, I'm going to be using my Haitian black castor oil. This is now what I'm going to be. So I'm just going to go through the steps. So you want to wet the section. Of course, my hair is already pre-twisted, so I just undid each twist. And I'm going to be using this method not only to hydrate, but also to get my detangling in and my shedding out. Then I'm going to go in with my weightless leave-in conditioner, whichever conditioner that you're using. You want to do that first. I like to use this one because it really does help me detangle, and I like the moisture that it brings to my hair. This step is pretty important because you really do need to get, I'm adding more conditioner. You want to get all the shed hairs out. We washed our hair in twists, so none of that shed hair was able to come out. She's really moisturized. Of course, you can use a comb if that's what you're into. I'm going to be finger detangling because I'm trying to reduce breakage because of all the breakage that I already got, or already have rather. So I'm going to be using my fingers because that for me is the method that leads to the least breakage. I like to focus in at the roots and make sure that I get all the tangles out there for sure. Once it is as detangled as possible, I like to go in with a cream. You can see how moisturized it is. Then I go in with my butter, so the shea butter mixed with some oil. I'm gonna smooth it through, especially to the ends. Get those ends. And now you can see how moisturized it is. You can see the shine. Then I like to separate it and just twist it back. And because of my hair thinning and the journey I'm on, I'm going to trim. I decided to do this on my floor because obviously there's a lot of water involved with this, and I don't want that on my couch. It'd be hard to get all that conditioner out. So I'm like, let me just do it on my little rug on the floor. It's a bit easier. But again, same procedure. You're going in with your leave-in conditioner of choice. Lots and lots and lots of water and moisture in this process. And then of course you go in with your cream, then the butter and the oil. But yeah, it's interesting. Detangling on a smaller section. I'm so used to detangling my bigger sections, but I need this. See, you can see all the shed hairs that should have come out. Usually when I detangle, as I'm, taking my before I
people were running healthcare sectors scattered.
Pardon?
Healthcare sectors scattered. Healthcare sectors scattered.
As I'm detangling before I get into the shower, and I'm adding my deep conditioners when I usually detangle the first time, and then I will come in and detangle again when I'm doing my twists individually, but I just cut out the first detangle all together, and I'm going to be doing all of that in one step, and I probably will be doing that for a while because I don't want to do a twist out. The reason why I would detangle when my hair was all out was because I would, you know, be doing a twist out for those last 3 or 4 days, and then I'd have to wash from there. So everything's already out. It's just easier to do it that way. But because I already know I'm not going to like how my twist out is looking for a while, because it's going to look all thin and scraggly. And here's the thing. I'm sure if I did a twist out, people will be like, yeah, it's really nice. Even when I was going through my first setback, people still liked the twist outs. I would still get compliments on it. I just knew that I didn't like it. I would feel like a bit like, ugh, self-conscious about the ends being all see-through. Other people might not have noticed as much as people that are into hair. You know, regular people were like, oh, nice hair, da da da. But I just knew it was not what it could be, okay? So when I step out with my hair, I just don't want to hear pain. I want to be in that feeling where I'm like, nobody can tell me nothing. Nada. I don't want to hear pain from your lips when our hair is looking juicy, juicy. So that's why I'm going to be doing this for a while. I decided because I don't really want to do the twist out 1. 2, we're in lockdown. I'm wearing masks all the time. It's not even comfortable having my hair out and then trying to put a mask over it. So this is giving me the perfect excuse and opportunity not even to worry about my twist outs and doing a twist out and having a pop and twist out, because there is no point. So I'm going to use this time to keep my hair in twists. Now, of course, you're still able to get the hair growth and everything that you want if you do the twist outs like I used to do. On my first time doing it, obviously it still worked, but I think doing it this way will actually speed up the process, just cutting out the twist outs altogether. And it's super easy to do at this moment in time because I have no desire to do it, because with everything going on, there's not really that much opportunity or event I'm going to where I'm like, I need my hair to be popping. So it's pretty easy to just refrain altogether. So right now we have everything in there, and I'm just going to take this section and twist it up. And I must say, I want to report that the shedding has gone back to normal on each section. So that is great. That means it was definitely the product as opposed to any internal issues, which is what I thought. The reason why I was almost positive that it was the product is just because the way my hair was feeling when it was detangling, how matte and matted and everything that it was feeling. That doesn't really happen when you have an internal issue, at least for me in the past. My shedding and setback from the past was a more internal thing, and my hair felt the same. Like, everyone knows how their hair feels when you're detangling, especially if you're used to finger detangling for years. I know how my hair feels at its most tangled state, finger detangling, and when it's an okay day. Like, I can tell feeling it, and just the way it was feeling, it just almost didn't feel like my hair. Now, when my hair was shedding due to low iron, it still felt the same. Detangling it wasn't an extra matted, it wasn't extra tangled, it was just shedding a lot more than usual. This time it just felt completely different, and now my hair feels the way it it always feels. I'm so happy, guys. It feels great detangling wise. It's reacting to the products that I use all the time. Like, all these products I use all the time, and I know how they react with my hair. Last time I was detangling, when it was going through that setback, I was putting in these products and it just felt like, what? Is this my hair? It's not doing what it does when I put this product in it. What is going on? Now it's reacting normal. The shedding is normal. So yes, I'm very happy at least that the root of the problem was figured out. And yes, it's going to take some time to get it all back, but at least it's not a continual thing. It's been such a long time since I've twisted my hair when it was wet. I'm so used to dry twisting. But it's interesting because now I'm going to be reverting back to wet twisting for a while now, because I'm just probably going to keep doing this. I really enjoyed that wash day. Anyway, trim. This back section is all done. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. These are all twisted. So that is my max hydration method, and it is a little bit different from what I was doing before. Before, when I would twist my hair, I would not really, no, I wouldn't go in with a leave-in conditioner. I would mainly go in with the cream, whatever cream I was using, and some oil on the hair. And then I would go in with shea butter, but only on the end soon. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I have all these to go. Yeah, it is. You can see they're all like frizzy and stuff, which is something I've noticed as well. It's way more frizzy in my twists, but I think it's because I have so much breakage that hairs are cut at such different lengths that they're just sticking out of the twist so much more. Some of the ends are kind of, the roots are kind of, you know, jumbled together. But once I add water and stuff like that, water and my conditioner, it does help to separate it. And the last step, of course, is the oil to the scalp, honey. I just squeeze it in. I like to massage it into my scalp, nice and nice and nice. Make sure you get it all in the roots. I'm gonna put as much as you think you need for this one and massage it in. Of course, you guys know I have my other growth oil, and I use my other growth oil throughout the week or within the week, every 3 days. So 3 times a week, sometimes 2 times a week, and I massage it in. But on this initial one, I go in with the Haitian black castor oil as a start and massage that in there. And of course, I love turning my head upside down. It's my thing now because I'm trying to really, really boost the hair growth. You get me? Ooh. And this is my hair all finished. And of course you can see my ends, I trimmed. So this is how it looks now. It is still wet. I just did this when I ate some food because child was hungry. But yes, so this is what I'm doing after my no manipulation wash day. That video should be up. If you guys are new to this channel, you don't know that I typically don't wash my hair the way I'm washing it these days. I just went through a whole setback, so I'm trying to cut down on manipulating my hair that much. So I decided, instead of detangling twice like I usually do during my whole wash and twist routine, I'm instead gonna cut that down and trying to detangle once. This is how much shedding that I received from everything. So this is wash as well as putting my hair in twists. Now, if you saw my other video, it was way more. Also, I must add that I've had my hair in this for about 3 weeks. Versus the other time, the other video that I did when my hair broke off, I had my hair in twist for only 2 weeks. So I know my hair, I know how much shedding it's supposed to have. This is kind of okay. It's actually not very bad. So yes, I am happy to report that I think everything is back to normal. As I was putting all my products that I know and love into my hair, it was feeling the way it usually feels when I put these products into my hair. So I'm very confident in the fact that it wasn't necessarily an internal issue. It was actually just a topical, the actual product that I used on my hair that caused that to happen. So if you're really joining me on this challenge, just know that my hair is not going to be out in about 3 months, which to me is gonna mean ultimate length retention if that's what you're interested in. Like I said, I'm trimming my hair, so you're not gonna see that length retained on me because I'm trimming it off like I just did and showed you guys in this video. But the thickness at the roots is going to start matching up eventually the more I trim. So yes, I'm excited, guys. Okay, I want to do a check-in video soon. I mean, there's not much to check in. I mean, you can't really see that much in a month or a week or 2 months really. It's hard to tell the difference, especially when I'm cutting off. But I am curious if you guys have been seeing a difference in your hair already. Please let me know down below. But definitely keep on this journey. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching my maximum boost twist routine, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, my dear. Is you know this channel that you're watching? Don't you want to see the things I'm uploading? Please. We're trying to grow the channel and we're trying to grow hair, okay? And both are gonna grow. And I don't want to hear I don't want to hear Pem. I don't want to hear Pem about it. Okay? Cool. Bye, guys.